If you want to make your Facebook completely private, open the Facebook app and tap the menu. In the bottom right, go to Settings and Privacy. Settings, Privacy Settings. And first, set who can see your post to only me, then under Profile and Tagging, set who can see things on your profile and who can post on your profile to only me. Next, go to How people find and contact you and change who can send you friend requests, who can look you up using your email, and who can look you up using your phone number to friends or only me. Finally, turn off face recognition under privacy settings. With these steps, your account will be fully private and only you or approved friends can see your activity. So that's it.